Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to use a single name on Facebook. Yes, we shall be looking at how you can easily use one name on Facebook. But before we start, if today happens to be your first time, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. If you're using iOS, I will advise you to log into your account on an Android device so that it will be very simple for you. Now make sure you update your Facebook application over here. So once you search for your Facebook, make sure it is updated to the latest version. And once you are done with that, search for this particular VPN. This is very important, which is VPN LAT over here. So you can see my VPN LAT is updated to the latest version over here. So once you have downloaded this particular VPN, go ahead and open this VPN LAT over here. Now once you open this VPN, you can see a lot of servers over here. So make sure you choose Indonesia server over here. So you can see Indonesia. You need to select Indonesia server. And once you open Indonesia server, you can see Jakarta 1 and Jakarta 2. So select the second one. And you can see loading. So you can see start. Click on start over here and connect to this particular VPN. So you can see processing. So you can see connect over here and you can see connected. So you can see we have now connected to this particular VPN LAT. Now go ahead and open your Facebook application. Now once you open your Facebook, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Now once you click on the three lines, click on settings over here. And once you click on settings, it will take you to this place where you can see settings and privacy over here. So you can see account center. Click on see more in account center. Once you click on that, you can see your profile over here in account center. Click on your profile. And you can see all your Facebook accounts here. So you need to select the one that you want to use single name on them. So you can see over here your profile over here. As for me, I have been using single name all this while. So almost all my accounts are I am having single names on them. So click on your name over here. Now you can see the first name. So you can see the first name over here. And then the last name. So for the first name, you can write then the last name, you can just enter just a space bar. So just enter a space bar. And the first one, your first name, enter the single name you want to use. And then for the last name, you just enter a space bar and that's it. So the most important thing is to just connect to this VPN and then use Indonesia server, which is the Jakarta 2. And by doing this, you can use single name on all your Facebook accounts. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching and also subscribe and be part of this family.